So we're going to show you how to use a Java program to print this shape, okay, the diamond shape. Alright, so first, to print out, I'm going to use system.out, right? Just simple print to console, right? And print line pretty much is going to print that asterisk and go to new line, right? Okay. Now we know that we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, right? So, and we don't want to keep doing like system.out for each line. We're gonna do loop, right? And we'll use while loop here. So we can say int I equals to 0, or and then while I less than 5. Okay, let me start with 1. Okay, and less than 6. There are 5 lines, right? So we're gonna print the asterisk. So if I do this way, so when you deal with this problem, always start simple first. Like if you do this way, it should print sorry, something. Sorry. I need to do the increment, right? So then I will make it stop, otherwise it's going to keep going. So now I have to print the asterisk 5 lines, right? So 5 lines, but we want to print 3, right? The second one 3, and the next one, so 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, right? So 1, 3, 5, this is like an odd numbers, right? 1, 3, 5. So I want to print this as an odd. So if I do print instead, okay, I'm gonna run that. It's gonna print that, right, 5 times horizontally, right? And if I want to go to a new line, so we just print, we're gonna say while, right? Or if I say, let's make it simple first. If I say if I equals to, so can we do something like, let's say if I do I equals to 5, okay, or we print 5 times, right? I'm going to say print ln. So run this. Then if it's pretty much at the end already, equals 4. Just go to line, print next line, right? So if I want to print, let's say 5 times, let's say 9, less than equals to, less than, let's say I want to print rectangle first, 25. So we may say if it's every 5, it's going to go down. Right, if I say 5, I equals to 10, let's go to new line, right? And we can do switch case if you want, but we just try to make it simple first, and then we go to advance the logic, right? And then we going to go new line. So let's see what do we get. Right, so last one should be, let's get to 20. So we can technically print, right, the rectangle, right, make it start from 0. Okay, 1 second. So we want 26 then, right? Less than, yeah, because it has to be 25 asterisk. So I just made a rectangle. By skipping every 5, right? Can we actually make this logic better? You can do mod, right? Mod I mod. We try to improve this logic. We can do mod 5 equals to 0, right? Whenever we mod 5 equal to 0, then we go a new line, right? That works the same because we know we want every 5, right? So if we want to print space, we're going to make space, but that should have a reason to print space, or that should have a reason to when to print the asterisk. You have to give the condition. If we say we want to look at a line number, right? Line 1, we print 1 asterisk, right? So some logic here that make it like line, like 1, like line 1, print 1 asterisk, and else line. We gonna print every odd numbers, right? To print 3 asterisk, and so on, right? So if line 1, we know we want to print 1 asterisk, right? But if I less than or equal to 5, that's line 1, okay? Now, let's see, what do you want to print? So we want to print the asterisk. We want to print the asterisk. We want to print space, and then asterisk. We want to print when it's equals to 3, right? Actually, because we know the position that it's going to be printing. If it's equals to 1, 2, 3, we print, right, the asterisk. And we're going to print again when it's equals to 7, 8, 9, right? Right, so which, instead of using this, maybe we're going to use case then. Switch I, and then case 3 So case 3. And right, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. I think we have to do case. So this is syntax, right? Case 7, case 8, case 9. Right, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It can be better if you know this formula here, right? Which we'll look at simple one first to make it work, and we can simplify the formula. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 17, 18, 19. And case 23. Okay, let's test. Okay, so we have to revise a little bit, right? But we have the shape here, right? So to fix this, we technically put a default case in there, right? And then default means in the other cases, like case 1, 2, we want to make space to it, right? That's going to make it in a diamond shape, right? Because I always print that extra spaces from here, right? So that's why I add another space for the other cases to make it, shape evenly. In this case, that means we don't want to always print the space. We can just remove this line. But whenever the other cases, we gotta print the space, right? So we have the diamond shapes, right?